Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on counting back. Counting back can be a very useful strategy to help us solve simple subtraction problems. Many students have no difficulty when it comes to counting in the normal manner. However, being able to count backwards from any given number is a very useful skill which can be used in a number of situations. Consider the following number line. So here's the number line starting from 0 and going to the right, and this arrow tells you that it keeps continuing. Focus on the red circle on the number 8. There it is there. So we keep that in our mind. Now count backwards to the left 5 places. So we're going backwards to the left, that is this way, in that direction there, 5 places. How did you go? The answer. Counting backwards 5 places from the number 8 can be done in 2 different ways. The first way, put your finger on 8 and do the following. So here it is, we've put our finger on 8, there it is there, and we do the following. Shift your finger to 7 and count 1. 1. Then shift your finger to 6 and count 2. 2. Then shift your finger to 5 and count 3. 3. Then shift your finger to 4 and count 4. 4. Then shift your finger to 3 and count 5. 5. What number did you land on? 3 is the answer. Okay? So when we count backwards, that is to the left, 5 places, we land on 3. I have reproduced the number line below for ease of reference. So here's the red dot on 8, and here's the second way that we do it. Think of the number 8 in your head. There it is. I'll put the marker there. Then count 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. The answer is still 3 because that is the last number. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Your hand can help you keep track that you have counted back only 5 times. So the hand comes in very handy sometimes when we're doing counting either forwards or backwards. It's a very handy little tool. Practical applications. Example 1. What number is 4 less than 7? Solution. Count back 4 numbers to the left of 7. 6, 5, 4, 3. The answer is 3. So there's 7. 6, 5, 4, 3. Or we can count back 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is always 3. Bill had 9 marbles, but Mary had 7 less. How many does Mary have? Okay, here are Bill's 9 marbles. Let's put 9 down so we can remember that was the amount. And we're going to count back from 9 7 places because Mary had 7 less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Mary has 2. It's very straightforward, isn't it? Example 3. Sam had 12 pencils. Sue had 5 fewer pencils than Sam, and Kylie had 3 fewer pencils than Sue. How many pencils were owned by Sue and Kylie? So here's our friend Sam. He's got 12 pencils because that's what we were given in the problem. Sue had 5 fewer pencils than Sam. Okay, so if we remember, Sam had 12, so we keep that in our head, and we count back 5 places from 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Sue has 7 pencils, and there they are. That's her 7. Kylie had 3 fewer pencils than Sue. So we remember Sue has 7, because there it is there. So we have to count back 3 places from 7. 1, 2, 3. So guess what? Kylie has 4 pencils. Example 4. Use the counting back method to determine how many fewer pencils Kylie had than Sam. Right, now we saw in the beginning that Sam had 12. That's what we were given in the problem. In the end, we worked out that Kylie had 4. There they are, there's the 4. So Sam 12, Kylie 4. Now, we have to count back. So we start at the 12 and just count back one at a time, and that'll tell us how many pencils Kylie had that were less than Sam's. Here we go. Remember, we start there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kylie had 8 less pencils than Sam. So counting back is a very useful strategy, and you'll get very good at it the more you practice, and it can help us do simple subtraction sums.